Improve. She improves her language skills by practicing every day.
Our team works together to improve the efficiency.
Last year, I improved my cooking skills by taking a culinary class.
I will improve my singing skills by practicing every day.
If the company invested in better training programs, employee productivity would improve over time.
We are improving our fitness day by day.
The training program has improved the employees' productivity.
They had improved their sales strategies before the new product launch.
She has been improving her painting techniques.